Yeah.
You can have chocolate, tea, or peanut butter.
Ooh, I want chocolate.
Okay, so put the cup in here. Here you go.
Thank you.
It's the winter cup.
Do you need a spoon back?
No thanks.
Okay.
And which kind of tea then?
Nice tea.
Which tea do you want, Mama?
Are the choices the same?
Yeah.
Chocolate or peanut butter?
Yeah.
I'll have chocolate.
Okay. I got it all the sugar for you.
Oh, sweet one.
And try to dump it all in. There it goes. There it goes. Now sit around some more.
Is it the same picture or are there different vignettes?
I can't tell. We'll see when we get your tea.
Thank you, love. See. And they're heart shaped.